I thought it would be fun to do another look with the Nars Skin Deep palette. So if you've watched any of my videos before, this was sort of a subscriber recommended, but also kind of a surprise for me because I wasn't really interested in it, and I have to tell you, now I'm obsessed. So I thought it would be fun for us to do another look, excuse me, using this Skin Deep palette. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna come up close. I've already done my complexion this morning, and now I am going to just focus on the eyes. So you guys, I think today what I want to do is I kind of want to try this more cool taupey color over here. And then let me think about this. The cool taupey, and then maybe one of these guys down here. We will play around, okay? Now, again, you guys, caveat, I'm not a makeup artist. And so if it's a disaster, we'll learn together. So what I do think I will do is just put down this sort of bone colored shade all over my lid. And you guys, I am a little sleep deprived today. My husband and daughter went on a cute little father-daughter trip to New Orleans, and so it's been a way early wake-up call. Their flight was at 5 a.m. That is the only problem if you live in the Pacific Northwest. You pretty much, to get anywhere on the East Coast, you got to take those early flights. Okay, so just kind of put a little base color down, and then you guys, let's see how this guy, so as I told you, you guys, these are super pigmented. I am gonna see what this more cooler taupe shade looks like. Wow, you guys, they're just so pigmented and amazing. I am using this Rodial, I don't know the number of it, but it's just a little bit, it's a fluffy brush, but a little bit more defined than my 224 from MAC. So I'm gonna come in here and be really careful. Wow, okay. So you guys, that might have been a disaster. But that's the one thing I'll say is these guys blend out like a dream. And so we will make this work. So this is this kind of taupe shade, and it's cooler. It's a cooler brown. Oh, wow. Okay. Don't worry, guys, we are gonna fix this. That is the beauty. And there we go. So you guys, seriously though, these shadows are so buttery and amazing that I have just been blown away. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Wayne Goss just fluffy brush, and I am going to blend this all over my lid and just kind of blend it really well. So as you can see, even though that was super pigmented, it just was, they just blend so easily into my more mature eyes. And the other thing I wanted to tell you guys, the wear time of these shadows are amazing. So not only do these stay, they were kind of reminding me a little bit of those, I bought a couple of those Marc Jacobs Omega gel eyeshadows, and they're kind of reminding me, at least the longevity of it for sure. You guys, I am gonna come in with my Wayne Goss number 20, and I'm gonna go into that little taupey shade here. And again, I am taking it and just kind of dabbing it on my, can you see? That's what I'm saying. There's not a lot of fallout in the palette, but there's just a lot of pigmentation, and I'm just gonna slightly run this underneath my eye, kind of connecting both of these together. And that wasn't too good over there. I've been trying to put just a teeny bit of shadow under there just after having my makeup done. You know, the artist really believed in that, it really brought the whole eye together. I think it does not look good right now, you guys. Once I put the mascara on, it all kind of comes together. So I'm just gonna take my fingers here and just kind of knuckles here and just kind of bring that up just a little bit. And then, wow, okay. I am attracted to this little guy over here, which kind of reminds me of cashmere. Oh, look, you guys, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that they had names. So what I have been using is Undressed is what I've been using up here. Undressed. And then I am going to be using Unbuttoned. Sorry about that. That's so funny. I'm obviously not great. Okay, so I am going to take a little bit. I am going to take, you guys, this is actually Centerfold over here. So I'm going to come into this Centerfold color and I'm going to put that on my lid. Okay, ooh, okay. You guys, so pretty. I'm going to come here and I am putting that base on my lid. Wow. Okay. So pretty, you guys. These are just so buttery. I'm going to place that down here. And then I'm going to take that fluffy brush and we're going to blend this out. But wow. Okay. So you guys, coming in here, I see just a teeny bit of fallout here. There we go. And I'm going to kind of blend these together. And so far, you guys, like, I'm really seriously, like, these shadows are amazing. And I am just blending this so it's seamless together. Okay, so far I have used this beautiful little color, and that is Undressed, and then I used Centerfold, and I'm using that color. Okay, then I'm going to use a liner, and I am going to go back and I'm going to use the Nars Larger Than Life in, this is Saint Honoré, Rue Saint Honoré. And then you guys, I love these eye pencils, and I am going to take this and I'm going to just come close as I possibly can down to my lash line. Don't you love how we all have to, I have to open up my mouth to get my liner on. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna slowly put this on. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. And then I'm gonna smudge this out with my Charlotte Tilbury smudger brush, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to smudge it out. Just softening the line a little bit. Okay, you guys, that's pretty amazing. And then I am going to go and put mascara on. So I'll be right back, because as I said, I take a little bit of time with my mascara. But before I go, I'm just gonna close my eyes and show you what I've done so far. Just a really soft and buttery shadows, you guys. Let me be right back with my eyeballs mascara fully. Okay, you guys, I put on mascara. I used the Better Than Sex mascara again. I'm still not sure on it, guys, but I thought, let me keep on giving it a go. But anyways, I just thought I would pop on and do a really quick eye with you using this palette again, because I am finding it super versatile. So you guys, I want to see which colors you want me to use next. I don't have to keep on doing eyeshadows with this, but I am seriously loving it. So far I have used these two over here, along with this Coconut Grove liner and this color, which is, let's see, Coconut Grove. Oh, the next one is Basic Instinct right here. And then today I was going for a little bit more cool tone, so I was using this guy in Undressed, and then along with my Centerfold here. So you guys, they're just super buttery. And then I used a little bit of a blue eyeliner for fun, but I'm gonna close my eyes here and show you this little final look. But I am so enjoying this guy here, and I just needed to share this with you because I know it's limited edition, but I am actually really enjoying this, and I can't wait to play with it again tomorrow. Okay, you guys, I will hope that you have a fabulous day, and I will be back with you soon.